Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Today I'm excited because the store's got so many new updates, so many new things going on, and today's video is going to show you how to fully load Jailbreak the Fire Stick. Full setup, full installation, all the apps are updated, everything now works. I always update my store. This is up to date. We got some new apps in there and we got some new updates. You wonder why you see a lot of videos of me doing this? Because I update you guys every week or every 2 weeks what's new and what's happening and how to get those updates. Okay, follow along. If it's your first time as well, I'm going to show you how to quickly jailbreak your Fire Stick. So simply all you have to do to get all those free movies, TV shows, sports and all that stuff, go to settings. Okay, the first thing you want to go is My Fire TV or My Device. You want to click on there. You're going to see a couple of things here. You're going to see About and Developer Options. You might not see Developer Options, but that's totally okay. You're just going to click on About if you don't see it. And you're going to see your device name. For me, it says Fire TV. For you, it might say Fire TV 4K, Max, Lite, whatever device you're using. You're going to click on that name about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it says no need. You're already a developer. For you, it's going to say now you are a developer when you do that. So when you click one back, you see that you have developer options. That means you successfully enabled developer options. Now, once you do that, click one more back, and one more back to go to the main menu. Now, from the main menu, let's go to Find. Once in Find, click on Find, click into the search box right here, and we can type it in or we can use the Alexa remote. We're going to search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. You can also type it in on the keyboard if your voice is not being clearly picked up, okay? But it should pick it up. Now, there's a lot of fakes and stuff. Make sure you get the real one. It's like 600,000 reviews or so. The first one there for me selected. Big D, white D, orange background. Click on that and then follow by clicking the download button. Okay, let's click on that download button. That's going to download and install the downloader application. Now, once it downloads and installs, we're not going to open it up. There's a couple of things we have to do. So as soon as it downloads, we're just going to press the home button. You're going to get a notification here as well that it downloaded and installed successfully. Let's hit that home button. Now here, what we're going to do, the next step, we're going to go to the settings right here. And once we're there, we're going to go to My Fire TV. And we're going to click on Developer Options. Remember, we enabled that in the first steps. Let's click on Developer Options. Let's click on Install Unknown Apps. And make sure you turn the downloader to the on position, just like that. Okay. Once we do that, all we're going to do is click one back, and one back, and one back, and one back for 5 times. Now, what is the next step we have to do here? So to get this special tool called Unlinked, which has a full loaded store, we have to go to the Find. And we have to go to the search and click inside of search. And we have to, this one, type it in. We're going to search for IP Vanish, just like that. IP Vanish, okay? All typed in. So IPVA, and it's displayed on the screen here as well. Let's type that in, IP Vanish. Okay. Highlight IP Vanish just like that. Search for it. Now, it comes up. This is about 94,000 reviews. Black logo, white P, green lettering there. Click on that, and that's going to download the IP Vanish. Let's press the download button and download the IP Vanish by pressing the download. Now, what IP Vanish is going to do, it's going to keep you protected, keep you anonymous when streaming, give you full access to the Unlinked store for all the applications, for free movies, sports, all this content that you ever imagine once it downloads. And with running the IP Vanish VPN, we're going to be able to get access all the updates. Internet service providers are now blocking access to this specific application and store. And this is going to unlock everything and provide all that content absolutely free with all these updates and all this stuff, okay? So let it download. Once it downloads, we're going to open it up. And I'll show you how to set this up to make it work with all our applications. My store is always updated. It has more than 60 premium applications for all this free content, okay? So here we are. It's downloading. And as soon as it's done, we're going to open it up. Now, you can use one account, one login in this IP Vanish for multiple devices in your home. So meaning that one account will keep you covered, okay? So I'm going to open up the IP Vanish application right now. It's going to install. Open it up. Now, we'll get to the screen now when we open it up. it's going to ask us to log in with your own username and password on the screen. Now, once it starts up, to get shown username and password, you can scan this barcode right here, or you can go to this link as well on the screen. Also in the pinned comment description, you can scan this with your iPhone, Android, whatever is easier. That's going to take you to a landing page. Once on that landing page, for full transparency, there's a tiny cost associated with this, which is $2 and a few cents a month, which is like a latte at Starbucks or a coffee at Starbucks, or even less. I don't even think you can get a latte at Starbucks for $2. Anyways, $2 a month keeps you protected, gives you full access to the store, gives you all these applications, content that potentially could have been blocked, unlocks it all, and you get so much more content with this, movies, TV shows, all that stuff available with running a VPN connected to a US server. And I'll show you how to set this up. So if you need to get set up, you can pause the video if you need to, scan the barcode, go to that landing page, pause the video if you need to, and then proceed to the next step, how to set up IPVanish for our applications, okay? So you can log in by putting your email and password. I'm going to put my email and my password, but to get your own, right there, you can do it. On that landing page, you're going to get 83% off, $2 and change on that site. You're going to put in your email address you want to sign up with, and you're going to create a password, hit sign up on their website. Once you sign up, you get an email confirmation from them. Confirm your email account, and then sign in by putting your email address and putting your password you created, and press the login button. Pause the video if you need to take care of this vital step to make it all work. This is being blocked. It's not going to work without it. Pause the video if you need to take care of this step, and then continue to the next step. I'll show you exactly how to set this up to work with our application, okay? So I'm going to log into mine and press the login. You would log into yours, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Once you log in, you'll see a screen like that. Now from here, go to the gear icon, click on it to set this up. Say connect on Android startup, flick it to the on position. Now click on the location button here, click back arrow, and then click on the location right there. And from the location, doesn't matter which part of the world you're in, scroll to the countries and scroll all the way to the United States. Now, when you're able to locate United States, which is just right here, click on United States. We're going to say favorite the United States by clicking on it. It's going to put a yellow star. We're going to click on it again, and we're going to say connect to United States. Now, what's going to happen, it's going to come up with another pop-up that's going to look like this. You're going to press the OK on that pop-up, okay? And in a minute, you'll see a screen turning green and will be fully protected and connected, and it will assign us an IP address. It means we're fully protected. Now, to get set up, like I said, the barcode's available here. It's $2 and change. It's like a latte at Starbucks or less per month. Unlimited devices, unlimited, runs on all platforms, Fire Sticks, Android boxes, Macs, iPhones, this all across the board to get set up. All you have to do is scan this barcode. You'll get a special discount at 82% off through my partnership with IPVanish. Keep protected and continuous access to the store with all these premium applications that you can load on your Fire Stick, okay? So I'm going to press the home button. We're ready to proceed to the next step. Okay, so in the next step, we're going to go here, My Apps and Games. We're going to expand this, and we're going to open up the downloader application by clicking on the downloader here. Now, from here, we're going to press the OK button. We're going to click one up, highlight this yellow box, click inside of it, and simply put in unlinked .link is all we have to put in. Okay, let's put that in. Unlinked .link. Once we put that in, unlinked .link, let's press that go button. It's going to happen. It's going to say connecting. Now, you can see I can move the red dot with my Fire Stick remote, moving it left, right, up, and down. So we're going to move down until on the unlinked website, we locate download APK Android right here. Now, highlight that over and click on that, and that's going to pop up, and it's going to start downloading the unlinked application. Any minute without touching here, you'll see that it pops up, and it starts pulling the application right into our device, and it's going to install it very quickly. Here we are, almost there. And once it downloads, it will automatically ask us to install it. Look at this. Without touching the remote, we're going to press the install button. But very important, let's press the done button, not open button. Okay, we have to do one last step. Let's press that done button right there. Let's press the delete and press the delete here in Downloader to delete the installation files. Hit the home button once you're done that. Now, one final step we have to do. Let's go to the gear icon. Okay. Let's go to My Fire TV again. Now we're going to go to developer options again, install unknown apps, and make sure you turn the unlink to the on position just like that. Now, once we do that, once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times back, the back key on our Fire Stick remote. Now, let's open up the unlinked, click My Apps and Games, expand it. Now we're going to move this to the front. We can just press the middle of the D-pad, hold it, and then we can move it to the front. And let's move our IP vanish to the front as well for easy access right to the front. Now, when we hit the home button, you'll see these applications are right at the front. Now we're going to launch the unlinked application. Once we launch it, I'm going to press the new library. I'm going to click inside of this blinking cursor. Click right inside, and we're going to put in Fire Stick. No spaces, lowercase, it doesn't matter. Just put in Fire Stick. Just the word Fire Stick. Okay, so once we put in the word Fire Stick, all we have to do is press the next button. Now, that's going to fly us right into the store, and it's going to pop up with this message. This message gives you the best applications to get, and I update this every week, 2 weeks, to give you the best stuff. Okay, now you can enter the store, but I wouldn't enter it yet. Take a picture of this. It might be blurred out when you're doing this at home, when you're watching this video at home, but when you're doing this on the Fire Stick, it should be unblurred for you, just like it is unblurred on my screen right now. I'm just blurring it for uploading it here onto certain platforms. So this is blurred out, okay? But when you're doing this on a Fire Stick, it won't. So click back arrow and back arrow to get out of this. And let's start up the unlinked application again, okay? Once we start it up, you'll see it says newtech apps. So we opened it up again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to expand it, and I'm going to scroll down to Fire Stick Tools. But you can scroll up and down, left to right, anywhere you can scroll down in this setup, and you can get all those applications. Now, you can scan the top app list here, one of these barcodes here that you might see, and that's going to take you to the top app list. You can scan that as well. That's going to be the same thing you've seen on the welcome message, all those best applications, okay? Now, once you locate those best apps, you simply have to scroll up and down, left to right, and get them. That's simple. So you would scroll down to your favorite app. For me, I'm doing Task Kill Fire Stick. I simply would highlight that over and press the download. That would start downloading that application. And once it downloads, all I have to do is press the install app. This will pop up. Press the install. The screen will blink. The app is installed. Let's say I wanted to get another app. Highlight it over. Press the download. Virus Total. This would download the application. And once it's downloaded, all I have to do is press the install button, and that's pretty much done. That quick, that easy to do. So let's see that. There you go. Press install app, install, and that would be finished just like that. Okay. Now make sure you scroll up and down, left to right to get all those applications set up. This gives you all the information. Okay. Now press the home button once you're done that loading, and you'll see that these applications now, they should be in My Apps and Games. You can move them up to the front. They'll be installed right there, okay? Now you can go back to the unlinked store at any time to continue loading all these other applications. Now I'll show you for this entire process, I was connected to the VPN for about 5 minutes here. The VPN is going to keep you protected, keep you safe, keep it anonymous when using those streaming apps. I'm going to give you more content and all that stuff. If you haven't done it yet, it's $2 and change per month through this affiliate link. You can scan the barcode here or go to this link right here. Also, you can go to the link in the pinned comment description. That's going to get you going as well. It's $2 and change. It's a lot at Starbucks of coffee per month. That's how much it costs. Not a big amount. You can use this on unlimited devices. And if you haven't got a protection yet and you want to get more content and continue getting the updates and the app updates and the new movies and TV shows and all that content to be able to populate, make sure you're using a VPN, which you can obtain here if you haven't done that in the first step, okay? Now, this kind of wraps up how to fully load this. And I don't have a pin lock on my store, meaning everyone can access it, but I'm thinking of putting a 4-digit pin lock to lock the store, as people have been knocking off my content. I haven't done it yet. So what I'm asking all my fans to do, just comment on the video below, and I'm going to give the pin lock to the people that commented on this exact video. I'm going to reply to every comment, and I'm going to give you the pin lock if I ever do put one in place. So make sure you comment just anything. What's your favorite city and town? What's your favorite food? Where did you travel last week? Anything. What's your car maker model? Anything you want to comment, drop a comment below and I'll reply if I do put that pin lock. I haven't done it, but if I do, this is the place to find it. Also, follow me on X. That information will be in the description. Highly appreciate if you follow me on X. I'm going to get a lot of information on X. And that pretty much wraps up fully loading, jailbreaking, whatever you want to call it, Firestick. Complete updates. You can come, if your VPN is running, you can come back to the Unlinked store, get all the updates, and get all that stuff. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and drop a comment. I don't ask for money and donations. I only ask for those 3 things. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Comment, like, subscribe. That's it. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care.